Hello and welcome back to the Excel tip videos. Today in this video we will talk about how to use the exact function in Microsoft Excel. Exact function in Microsoft Excel compares two text strings and returns true if they exactly match. Otherwise it returns false. Exact is a case sensitive function. Let's see how it works. So here we have sample data in the table and now we'll enter exact function in cell C8. So we type exact and then hit tab to auto complete the function. Exact function takes two arguments and both are text strings. It can be a cell reference or typed manually. So we select A8 in the first argument and B8 in the second argument, and we'll tell Excel to compare these two strings. So we hit enter. Wait, aren't both texts the same? No, actually not. If you look carefully, in B8, letter M is in lowercase, whereas in the first string, it is in uppercase. It is because exact is case sensitive function. So it returns false, stating that both text strings are not exactly matching. Okay, now let's type exact in C9 and then select A9 as the first argument, B9 as the second argument. Now we hit enter. It gives us true because both text strings are exactly same. We can also type manually. So let's say we remove second argument and we manually type good morning in the double quotes and hit enter. It gives us the same result. Now let's move to the next example. Here we have percentages in cell A10 and in B10. Now we'll tell Excel to compare these strings using exact function. So we type exact function here in cell C10 and then we select A10 and B10 as the arguments. Now we close the parenthesis and hit enter. Function returns false. However, both cell contains 100%. Then why the function returned false? Okay, let's go to the first cell A10 and look at in the formula bar. It looks fine, perfectly fine. And now go to B10 and go to formula bar, and here you go. If you look at here in the formula bar, this cell B10 contains 99.99%, and because of cell formatting, it is rounding off and displaying 100% in cell B10. So that is why the function returned false. Okay, now to make sure that both cell A11 and B11 are same, we'll enter exact function in C11 and select A11 and B11, hit enter. It gives us true. Okay, let's move to the next example and we type exact function in C12 and hit tab to auto complete the function. As we can see, A12 contains 0.6 whereas B12 has 2:24 p.m. and it clearly seems that if we enter these two strings as the arguments, the function would definitely return false. Anyway, let's compare this and we select A12 and B12 and now we hit enter. Wow, function returns true. But how? It is because the time 2:24 p.m. in cell B12 actually has the underlying value of 0.6 in Excel. So if you go to B12 and then do right click and under the number tab, we click on general category. I will move a little bit, and as we can see here, the underlying value of this cell, which is 0.6, we'll click on cancel. Therefore, the value in cell A12 and B12 are exactly same, and it is just because of formatting both cell looks different. So this is how we can use exact function to compare two strings in Microsoft Excel. We hope you found this lesson informative. Stay tuned and keep learning with us. Thank you.